Hi, Alex here with one more demo of the new platform. One of the most common questions is which artificial intelligent forecast may I purchase from intuitive code or autonomous trading. We have an extensive list of forecasts. You have here some examples, but most of them they are available 100% free, included in our plans. I'm not referring just to artificial intelligence plans, also in non-bot plans. Okay, those basic services, some of them they include very high value artificial intelligence forecast. Therefore, instead of purchasing directly the forecast, which in the end it has a very high price if we are talking about a ultra performance forecast, it is preferable to subscribe to one of those basic plans. Moreover, you have access to courses as value investing and so on. I'm going to explain that you see here different colors. The blue color stands for standard forecast, the red color for ultra performance, and bear in mind that these colors they change according to the algorithm, okay? And the special items, yellow color. Having said this, once you log into the app, you also have access to complete documentation. For example, here, how to use artificial intelligence forecast, okay? Rules, guidance, tasks, and so on. Moreover, you have also then frequent asked questions, which, by the way, don't have access to it on the website. It is not for the public knowledge. We are not interested. This is not an exercise of selling. And you have here examples. If I go back, the trial, once you log in, and that I'm referring to the service Talk to Alex, you have access to these. And if you click here, you have the trial demo to see precisely how does it work, and obviously together with how to use the forecast. So complete the documentation, and for accelerating significantly your learning curve, help you to maximize profits immediately. As soon as you subscribe, you have access to all this documentation. Moreover, you don't have to pay absolutely anything to subscribe to a plan, because before having access to the plan, you have access to this information that allows you to understand or to comprehend how the service works, and then in the end, once you decide which is the service that is the best for you, you can move forward, and you are then prepared to utilize the information since the very first day. And with this I terminate. Thank you. Bye.